go, Darrel. Go. You get it? There you go. Watch. Be careful. Easy, Dad. Easy. Easy, Darrel. Easy, Darrel. Okay, now turn it back around. Turn it back around. No. Go this way, yeah. This way. Keep on pedaling. 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 There you go. There you go. There you go. Go, Darrel. Okay. Easy, Darrel. Easy. You're gonna munch. Easy, Darrel. Okay, put the brakes on. Put the brakes on. Let's get rid of there. You know, slow it down and then keep on pedaling and then kind of turn it around nice and wide, okay? Don't go like this, because go like that, the bike will, all right? And I don't want that to happen to you, okay? Go, Darrel.
There you go.
Slow down, Darrel. Turn the bike around, Dad. Turn it around. 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 There you go. Check it out. That's great.
You know what I want to know?
Watch where you're going.
You know what I want to know?
Put the brake on.
Put your foot down. There you go. Duck the water. He's already doing little jumps. Oh! That's okay. Okay, pick up some speed before you take off, bud. Get your balance. Pick up some speed, bud. Run with the bike. Run with the bike. Run with the bike. There you go. That's it. You're all right. Just get the feel of it. Just get the feel of it. You'll be fine.
See that, Richard? His first time out. Isn't that great? Yeah. Now your brother can ride with you. Darrel.
It's all right.
Ride the street, but I want you to stay close to the curb. Look at this. I can't believe it.
I know. It just picked right up.
Oh, God.
On to better and better, bigger things and all that good stuff. A bunch of butts. There they are. Battery going down. We had a battery problem.